This is from Mom and Dad and Reagan, okay? What is it?
No.
You don't know yet?
Tear the paper.
What is it?
Oh,
Is that cool? Are you going to play with it in the bathtub?
yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to finish getting off the wrapping paper? Yeah. Okay, ready? You pull it? Yay! What do you think?
Yeah.
Is that pretty cool? Happy birthday. We love you.